RD Gorilla in Retail Ready Purchase Entry. Now, what is that? Let me show you. Watch this video till the end. You install a blank software, there is no data, only Retail ID is there, and there is no data. There is no purchase until now, no product ad, nothing. I can show you. For example, if you go for reports, go to reports and stock in hand, there is no stock. Show all the products. There is no stock, nothing. Empty. Software is empty. Now, let me show you two invoices, purchase invoice. This. See this? Let me show you one invoice to you. This invoice or this invoice. Either. Whatever it is, you can choose. This purchase invoice only you have, it is in PDF format. You can see this. It is in PDF format. Now what I am going to do, directly uploading this purchase entry and to see this magic. You will get all inventory, everything. Let me show you. Go to the purchase entry. You need to add only one time one supplier. And here you can add one supplier. Like for example, ABC supplier. ABC, KTM and Kerala State, pin code jo bhi hai, and some contact number and save it. I just added only one supplier. And let me show you what I can do. Select one supplier, select that supplier, and now I am going to RD Gorilla. Let's go. Select that file, the invoice which is given by the supplier. Select that file over here. Invoice 2. This is the biggest one. Invoice 2, and open it. Done. And you need to extract that data from that PDF into the software format, like a readable format. And I click on that get data into the grid. Means it will take like 20 seconds or 15 seconds. In that time, it will extract all the product name and your GST and your purchase price, sale price. Sale price we will decide over here. Let me show you how to fix it. Each and everything it will fix, including quantity, HSL number, everything. See, look at this. Now you can see this data. Parallelly, if you want, I can open that PDF file also. Let me show you that. I will settle it here. Settle to product. Tax type. Like you want to make it a GST or composition, you can select it. Successfully save it and close it. It's settling. Directly it came to purchase entry. You can see this. It came into pieces and the total price, everything. The product name, everything. See, there was nothing in this soft. Look at this. Potato with the skin, potato, ground, pomegranate. You can see this pomegranate, 1 pieces, and here also it is 1 pieces, 1,350 rupees. Pomegranate 1,350 rupees. Everything, whatever it is, and here also there is total 37 items came. Let me save it directly. Before saving that, on this each item, on what margin we are going to sell. For example, 1,373 this MRP, the purchase price. How much profit you are going to gain? 30%, 50%, whatever it is, you can fix it over here. Look at that. Here it is. Retail margin, wholesale margin. How much you want to make the margin? Percentage. Like 30% on retail and 20% on the wholesale. Let me fix it. That's it. Just type it. That's it. And what you will do, just click on save button. Successfully saved the purchase entry. Close it. Now let me show you the records and go to the stock in hand. Let me show you. and show all the products in the stock. Yes, everything came here. Everything, each and everything came here in the stock. And if you go to the sales panel, Rubik sales panel, if you go to Rubik, all products are here, and there is no image, right? Let me update the image for you. What do you need to do? Click on this A button and click on this category. Automatically, all this product image will, update through Google Image Gallery server system. So let me show you. Wait for maybe 20 seconds or 30 seconds. You don't want to update all these products images manually. It's all the technology. Now 2025 and you are working with Retail Daddy. So you don't want to wait too much for making something. It's everything in your hand. And let's see, it's live. It's live. See this? It's beautiful. Some products image did not upload because the product name may be not accurate, which product name we have given. Those products products image we can upload manually. But 99% all the images will update like that. And you can touch see this pop-up, you can close it. Let me show you how to close it. Go to sale panel and pay button and build summary. I don't want to make that pop-up again. Like product parameter. Why that? Multiple times you purchase, you will get pop-up, and from which stock you need to sell. That's it. So I am going to sale panel now, and so not the sale panel, Rubik sales panel, from where we added the products. You can just touch the products like that, and click on the quick pay. Click on the quick pay. And now let me sell those products. Go to the sales panel, select some products like that. You can put the quantity, for example, 2 pieces. Manually you can select, or barcode also I will show you. For example, I ordered some products like that. See, quick pay. Like this, and your invoice is here. It's very simple. You ordered purchase entry through Excel. Remember that. And I just close it. If you want to prepare barcode for those products which we uploaded, you can go to the barcode sections over here, generate barcode, and there is so many templates are available over here. Which template you like more? You can print those things in the barcode printers. Like this template I am selecting, apply, and let me go to the print preview. Go to printer. I am going to select this barcode printer. Let me see this printer size. It's okay. I am applying and printing. Now this barcode also is printing here. You can see here. It's very beautiful, very simple. Anyone can handle this software. Very simple way. That is a Retail Daddy. See, so many barcodes are coming. So many. And as you know, you can apply these barcodes to your products. See this? It's a sticker. And there is a barcode labels are there. You can just scan it and sell those products. And tell me your opinion about RD Gorilla technology in Retail Daddy Purchase Entry. It's simple, easy, and for example, if you have a purchase entry like invoice, 3-4 pages or 5-10 pages, just upload it. automatically software will work for you. That is a retail daddy. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you. Bye bye.